So now let us see different operations which we can perform on different data types, which we have discussed already. So let us open a new file and let's see. First, let us see the operations on string. So let us write string underscore operations dot py. So now let us take s1 equal to, let's take one string. This is string. Let us take, okay, so let us do with one string. And for example, if you want to access only h from this one, so let us see first accessing the certain characters inside a string. So if you want to access h from this one, what you're going to do is we need to study the concept of index here. Indexing start from 0 for every string or list or tuple. Okay, so T carries 0 index, H carries 1 index. Okay, so the indexing starts from 0 and it continues so on. So T will carry 0, H will carry 1, I will carry 2, S will carry 3, and so on. Right? So, for example, if you want to access this H, what will you do is just take a variable, just a variable y, and the string name. What is the string name? S1. And open up the square brackets and pass the index number here. What is the index number? We want to access h, right? What is the index of h? Starts from 0, t is equal to 0 and h equal to 1. So just pass 1 here. And next, print y. Save it and let us run it. We got h here. So this is how you access characters inside a string. Okay, so for example, let me show one more thing. We want to access s here, this s. How will you access s1? T equal to 0, h equal to 1, I equal to 2, s equal to 3. Just change the number here, 3. Run it. We got s here, right? So this is how you access elements inside a string. So for example, if you want to access this total string, what you're gonna do, you want to omit only these 3 characters and you want to have all these things. What you're going to do is 3 and just put a colon here. Colon is nothing but from 3 to total string it will be printed. So 0, 1, 2 will be omitted and it will start to print from 3. So let us see now. So we got s is a string. So these 3 characters got omitted and from here it is being printed. Okay, so this is called as string slicing. Okay, and we will also be having a negative index value. So we have seen the index thing, right? T equal to 0, T carries 0, H carries 1. So indexing starts from 0, and there is also concept of negative indexing. Negative indexing is nothing but it will start from the backside of the string. Okay, so here G carries -1, N carries -2, I carries -3. So let us take another variable Z equal to S1 and open the square brackets and just put -2. And let us print Z now. Save it and run it. We got N here. Why we got N here? Because we are printing -2. G carries -1 and N carries -2. Okay, so I hope you guys got it. What is string slicing? And there are many other methods in strings as well. So in Python, string is immutable. Immutable is nothing but we cannot change the value of string. Okay, so if you want to change it, you need to store it in the new variable and you can store it. So if you want, let me show you some methods. So let us comment out these things. So let us also comment out these things. Let us take y equal to s1 and just press dot, and you will be getting many methods here. These are all the methods which you can explore. There are so many methods available. So let me show you some methods. So let me take this one, s1 dot capitalize, and open the open braces. So what it will do is, let's just print y. So capitalize nothing but the first letter will be capitalized. Okay, so we have seen what is s1 dot capitalize, and let us explore more and let us write case fold. and let us print this one. Case fold is nothing but all the uppercase letters will be converted into lowercase. For example, if you want to visualize this one, let me change this to capital I and let me run it. We got small I here, right? So this is this one, and let us change into uppercase s1 dot upper. The whole string is converted into uppercases, right? So this is one method, and you can also use s1 dot lower as well. It will give the all lowercase characters. Okay, so next thing, another thing available is count. Z equal to s1 dot count, and you can pass a variable here. That is nothing but inside the string. For example, if you want to count the number of s character in s1 string, just pass s here. That is nothing but it will return how many times s has repeated in the string. Okay, so let us print z, just run it 3 times. So here once, and here once, and here once. Okay, so I hope you guys got it. What are the basic operations on string. And the one more thing we can do is, let us create another string s2 equal to 1 2 3. It is a string, right? It is under the apostrophes. So there is one more method. So let us directly print it instead of storing in a variable. S2 dot is alpha. Is alpha is nothing but if the whole string contains only numeric values, it will return true, or else it will return false. So let us run it. We got false. Sorry, not numeric values. It is alpha, right? Alpha is nothing but alphabets. So if you want to change it, is numeric, and just run it. We're getting true here. Okay, so if you want, you can change it to whole alphabets, and now you can use is alpha. Just remove this one. Now it will return true. Why it will return true? Because the whole string contains only alphabets, so it is returning true. So these are the basic string operations, and there are many other string operations as well. Just try to explore them. And now let us see the list operations. So let us create a new program. List operations dot py. So let us take a list initially. L equal to and square brackets, right, for list, and let us write 3 4 5 6, and just first let us just print it. Okay, so accessing elements in a list is totally similar to accessing elements in strings. So if you want, the indexing starts from 0. There is nothing but 1 is at position 0, 2 is at position 1, 3 is at position 2, and so on, right? So if you guys are getting confused with these numbers, let us take different numbers. 99, 88, 77, 66, 55. So 99 is at position 0, 88 at position 1, 77 at position 2, and so on. So if you want to access 77 now, how will you access that one? Just take a variable and L is nothing but the list name. Open the square brackets. Since the 72 at position 2, just pass 2 here and print Y. Now let us write 77. We accessed 77 here, right? So this is how you access elements in list. So we need not to put every time in a new variable. We can directly write here. So what you do is just write L of 2. It will print 77. So this is how you access elements in a list, and there are some functions which we can do. And what you can do is, just if you want to add a new value into a list, how you will add that one? See, now we are having 5 values. If you want to have 6 values, so how will you do that one? Just write L dot append. Append is used for adding a new value into a list. Open the braces, and you can write anything here. Suppose if you want to add 18 to the list, L1 dot append 18. Next, print L and save it and run it. There you go. 18 is added to the list. Okay, so this is how you add an element into a list. And for example, if you want to delete something, you want to delete 99, for example, what you do is L dot pop, and inside pop just pass the index value. What is 99 is at which position? 0. Now let us again print L. Just run it. See, first time 99 is there. Without pop, before popping the element, we are printing L here, right? So 99 is there. After we have popped 99, so after that one 99 has disappeared. So this is how you can use. And there is also one more thing. We can also use L dot remove, and inside remove we need to provide the value. We cannot provide the index value here. For example, if you want to delete 55, just pass 55 here and run it. Now 55 is also disappeared. Okay, so this is how you delete elements in a list. And let us see the operations of tuples as well in this. So let me just write comment here, list operations. Tuple operation. So basically tuple does not have any special operations because tuple is immutable. So and list is mutable. So I have said you that I will tell you a difference between list and tuple. List is mutable, that is nothing but elements can be added and elements can be removed from the list. But when you come to tuple, there is no provision to add numbers or delete numbers. So let me show you that one. Equal to some numbers I have taken. Okay, so now if you try to add a dot append, there is no append function actually. I'm just trying to show you the error which we will get. A dot append. Well, let us just comment out this print statement so that it will be clearer for us. There you go. Tuple object has new attribute append. Append is only limited for list, right? So we cannot do anything with tuple. I mean, we cannot modify the tuple. So that's why it is immutable and list is mutable. Okay, so the accessing of elements in tuple is very similar to the list. So if you want to access 5 4 3 5, what you're going to do, 1 is at position 0, 23 at position 1, 4 at position 2, 5 4 3 5 is position 3. So what you're going to do is just print and t, open the square brackets and pass 3. 5 4 3 5. For example, if you want to access both of these elements, how will you access both of these elements? Similar to the strings. What is this? 0 1 2 3, right? Just 2 and put colon. That is nothing but from second index everything will be printed. 4 and 5 4 3 5. So this is how you can access and perform operations on list and tuple. And the last thing we left with is dictionary. So now let us see the operations on dictionary. So let me create a new file, dictionary operations.py. So let us just create a dictionary now. Dictionary 1 equal to, let us open the braces and let us write some dictionary data. So we have already discussed all these things, how to declare a dictionary and how to define it. So let us take some random words. Okay, so after this let us try to print all these things. So we got a dictionary here. So for example, if you want to update a dictionary, for example, if you want to add one more pair, what pair is nothing but a key value, right? The left side things are keys and right side things are value. And if you want to add that one, how you will do that is dict one off and just add. For example, if you want to add G as a key and H as a value, just put G equal to and H as a value. And now let us try to print dict1. It is updated G and H, right? So this is how you update a dictionary. And for example, if you want to delete a element from the key, for example, if you want to delete this thing. If you want to delete L key, for what you will do is just write dict1 dot pop, and inside pop provide the key here. What is key? For example, if you want to delete L, just pass L here, and after that print dict1. L is disappeared now. Okay, so the total pair will be disappeared. Okay, so this is how you delete elements in a dictionary, and accessing the elements in dictionary is very similar to accessing elements in list and tuple. So how you will do that one is just print. For example, if you want to access it, this one with the help of a key, how you will do that one is dict1, open the square braces, and you will be seeing all these things. For example, if you want to access X, just put X here. We got Y. Why we got Y here? Because we are passing X as a key value, and X key value will be searched here, and Y will be printed. Okay, so this is how you perform operations on different data types in Python.